Hello, this is Andrew's Adventures, and this video is about Romney, Hythe and Dymchurch Railway, which is one of the smallest public railways in the whole world. In this video, you will see one of 10 top tourist attractions, a heritage railway with original steam locomotives, ideas and tips for a great family day out, and lots of useful information. Here we go! If you start your journey at Hythe Station, arrive at least 15 minutes before your departure time. There is a complimentary car park for the customers at the station. The exit to the trains is through the gift shop, where you can find all kinds of train sets, railway souvenirs and books. From the platform, you can watch the train being turned and filled with coal and water. Every steam locomotive has a name. This one is Southern Maid. She was built in 1926, almost 100 years ago. The railway now operates 20-seat and 16-seat open and closed coaches. You can't choose your seats, they are assigned automatically. There are special carriages for wheelchair users and pushchairs too. Children under 3 and dogs go on the train free. There are perspex partitions between carriage compartments for your additional safety. The railway runs from Hythe to Dungeness. It is a 13.5 miles track. On weekends, there are up to 5 trains steaming between 7 stations. Usually, you will stop at Dymchurch and New Romney stations before arriving at the final destination. It takes this train 1 hour 4 minutes to get from Hythe to Dungeness. Here you will have about 40 minutes before your train goes back, so you can use facilities and have a nice lunch at the end of the line restaurant. They have kids' lunch boxes too. All 10 original steam locomotives remain in service, each covering up to 10,000 miles a year. They are 1/3 full size, and they were made to run safely at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour on rails only 15 inches apart. On your way back, enjoy the amazing scenery. Our locomotive was changed at New Romney Station for the diesel JB Snell, so we said goodbye to Southern Maid. If the weather is nice, you can leave the train at Dymchurch, where the station is only a 5-minute walk from the long sandy beach and an amusement park. But we came back to Hythe first. And had a snack at Hythe coffee shop. You can buy special Romney, Hythe and Dymchurch Railway fudge, jam and cake here. Later, we came back to Romney Marsh. This is a great spot to watch the steam trains passing by. We were lucky to see Samson and Green Goddess. Hope you will have a chance to visit Romney, Hythe and Dymchurch Railway. Let me know in the comments if you like travelling by train. Subscribe to my channel for more UK adventures and travel tips. And thank you for watching!